Hi, everyone. Great to be back again. Today's topic is very interesting and maybe a little bit surprising.
Yes, today we are talking about why adults learn English slower than children.
Oh, yes. Many adults feel this problem. They say, why is it so hard for me, but kids learn so fast?
Exactly. And maybe you feel the same. Don't worry, you are not alone. This is very normal.
So let's start with a simple question. Do children really learn faster than adults?
Good question. The answer is yes and no.
Haha, that sounds confusing already.
Let me explain. Children learn languages naturally, like a game, but adults learn in a different way.
Right. For example, a child doesn't study grammar rules, they just listen and copy.
Exactly. A child hears I am playing many times, and then they start using it.
But adults say, wait, present continuous, subject plus be plus verb plus ing.
Yes, adults think too much sometimes.
So this is the first reason. Adults use logic and rules, while children use feeling and repetition.
That's right. Adults want to understand everything before they speak.
And that can slow them down.
Let's talk about another reason fear.
Oh, yes, this is a big one. Adults are often afraid to make mistakes.
Exactly. Imagine a child learning English. They say something wrong.
And what happens? Nothing. People smile, maybe correct them, and that's it.
But adults feel embarrassed. They think, oh no, my English is bad.
Yes, they worry too much about what other people think.
This fear stops them from practicing. And without practice, learning becomes very slow.
So here's a tip. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are your best teacher.
I like that. Mistakes are your best teacher. Very nice.
Thank you, thank you. I practiced that sentence many times.
Haha. Now let's talk about time.
Ah, yes, children have a lot of time.
Exactly. Children go to school, play, and learn all day.
But adults, work, family, responsibilities.
Bills, emails, meetings.
Oh no, not emails again.
Yes, adults are busy, so they don't have much time to study English.
Maybe just 20 minutes a day, or even less.
And sometimes they are tired.
Yes, after a long day, your brain says, no more English, please.
So less time plus less energy equals slower progress.
That makes sense.
Now, another important reason is how the brain works.
Oh, this sounds a bit scientific.
Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Children's brains are very flexible.
Like a sponge?
Yes, exactly like a sponge. They absorb language easily.
Adults' brains are still strong, but less flexible.
Right. Adults are better at thinking and analyzing.
But not as good at copying sounds and accents.
That's why children often have better pronunciation.
Yes, they can sound like native speakers more easily.
But here is something important. Adults have advantages too.
Oh, yes, let's talk about that. Not everything is bad for adults.
Exactly. Adults can learn faster in some ways.
For example,
Adults understand grammar explanations better.
that's true. If a teacher explains a rule, adults can understand quickly.
Also, adults have more experience with learning.
Yes, they know how to study, how to organize, how to practice.
And adults usually have a clear goal.
Like getting a job, traveling, or studying abroad.
Children don't think about goals, they just learn.
So motivation is stronger in adults.
Exactly, and motivation is very important.
So maybe adults are slower, but they can be more focused.
Yes, that's a great way to say it.
Now I have a question. Can adults learn as well as children?
Yes, absolutely. Adults can reach a very high level.
Even fluent English?
Of course, many adults become fluent.
So the problem is not age, it's the method and mindset.
Exactly, that's the key idea.
So what can adults do to learn faster?
Good question. Let's give some simple tips.
Tip number 1, practice every day.
Even 10 or 15 minutes is okay.
Tip number 2, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, speak more, worry less.
Tip number 3, listen a lot.
Podcasts, videos, music, anything you enjoy.
Tip number 4, use simple English.
Don't try to be perfect, just communicate.
And tip number 5, have fun.
Yes, if learning is fun, you will continue.
If it feels like punishment, you will stop.
Exactly. No one wants English homework forever.
Yes, that sounds scary.
So remember, children learn differently, not necessarily better,
Adults just need a smart strategy
and a relaxed mind.
and maybe a little patience.
Yes, learning a language takes time.
But step by step, you will improve.
And one day you will say, wow, my English is much better.
That's a great feeling.
Definitely. So don't compare yourself to children.
Compare yourself to yesterday.
Oh, I like that.
Thank you. I'm very wise today.
Yes, you are.
All right, everyone. We hope this episode helps you understand your learning better.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
Don't forget, slow progress is still progress.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye and see you next time. Bye-bye.